Thanks for joining in with us today. I am Jagger with ZLINE Kitchen and Bath, and today we're going to adjust the flames on our burner on this RT36. Okay, our first step here is going to be removing the grates. Taking these grates off will allow us to see the flame and level it exactly where we want it. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we have the grates off, we will be able to adjust the flame exactly where we want it, be able to see that. And let's look at the one we have right now. As you can see, that's the largest flame, and we're gonna scroll down a little bit. You can see it moved a little, but it's not as much as we want it. At that being the lowest flame, that's not what we want. So let's go ahead and adjust this flame and get it exactly where we want it. Okay, so here is the knob to the burner that we want to adjust. And what we're going to want to do is ignite a flame and then turn that flame to its lowest setting. After we turn it to its lowest setting, we want to remove the knob. So what we'll do is just grab onto both ends and just pull gently. It'll come right off. Here it's going to reveal a little peg here that's got a little hole, and that's where you're going to insert the flame adjustment screwdriver, just as so. Just right in there, and you'll feel for the groove, and when you latch onto the groove like I just did, see now it don't want to move. A while ago it was just spinning like that, but right there I'm in the groove now. So now we are going to adjust the flame. So to turn the flame down, what we want to do is turn the screwdriver to the right, and that will lower the flame. We want to lower it right about here. Right here is where it hovers over the cap, and that's exactly where you want it to be for its lowest setting. It'll give you the best variable on how high your flame is for when you're cooking. Let me get the knob back on. As you can see here, that's wide open, and you got some adjustability as I go down, all the way down to its lowest. So a lot of room to cook with. I hope this video was helpful. Please call 614-777-5004. That is our customer service line, and we'll be able to help you with whatever you need. Have a blessed day today. Thank you.